So how do we take decimal to octal? All right. Last time I taught you guys using the binary system, but this is just for 6 marks. So I'm gonna teach you to convert from decimal. Please note this is from decimal to octal, right? So what is octal? Octal, I said, it's a number system that runs from 0 to 7, right? It has 8 combination, right? And then is denoted by the base 8, right? Remember, the bases are important in this subject, right? So now we have 125, 10 divide, what is it? 8. So what are we gonna do? So we're gonna say 125. Unfortunately, here we're gonna need a calculator. Divided by 8, right? 125, let's do it like this so that you guys can understand. Divide by 8. So this side, I need the answer. Let me try to get my phone. Does anyone know what's the answer?
Yes, sir. It's 15.625.
Okay, it's 15, right? 15. The rest is going to be a remainder. So what is 15 multiplied by 8? 15 multiplied by 8?
120.
120. So it means our remainder is 5, right? Because 15 multiplied by 8 is 120. 125 minus 120, the remainder is 5. Okay. Great stuff. So now we take the 15 here. Then we say 15 divided by 8. So we will always divide by 8. I want you guys to notice something here. Because it's octal, we are dividing by 8. When we get to hex, we're going to divide by 16. Only if we're converting from decimal to hex, right? Okay. So 15 divided by 8 is going to give us 1. Remainder. How much will the remainder be? 7, right? So 8 plus 7 is 15. Okay, great stuff. Then here, what do we say? Then we're going to use this one. Sorry, this is 1 divided by 8, which is not possible, right? So basically here, we're supposed to have 1 divided by 8, which is not possible. So our answer is gonna start from this one. Yeah? I will show you. So now, this is what you do. So your remainders are your answers here, right? So the answer is going to be 1, 7, 5, right? That will be the octal version of this. So what is it? It's 1, this, 7, and then this, 5. Remember, this is just 1 mark. If it's like this, you need to show the base for octal to get the 2 marks. Here's the 8. So this method, you just need a calculator. Then you're going to work with the remainders, right? So it's 1, 7, 5, 8, right? But now remember, I taught you guys to do it the decimal way, right? Sorry, the binary way. So to convert from decimal first to binary, then from binary to grouping threes, and then from grouping in threes, you will have your answer. So let's do it that way and see if we get the same answer, right? So this is 125, okay, 125. We know we don't have any commas, so this will be 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3. And then from last week, I also mentioned that you can also start like this because you won't know where to end if you're not that good with maths. So you can start by 1, 2, You can start with the second step. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 32, 64, 128, right? So do we need 128? What was the question? Oh, man. It was 125. So we don't need 128 because 128 will be bigger than 125, right? So we don't need 128. So we need to get 125 from this. So this will be 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5, and then this will be 2 to the power 6. Okay, so 125, we definitely need a 64. We need this bit to be present. 125 minus 64, it's still bigger than 32, right? Yeah, it's around maybe 61, right? 61. So we still need this 32 here, right? 61 minus 32 is 30, maybe 30 or 29, somewhere there. So we still need this 16, right? We're gonna calculate it now properly when I use my calculator. We still need this 16, and I assume we still need this 8. But let's do it properly so that we all understand what's going on. Okay, so how do we start? I'm just opening my calculator on my phone. All right, so we start with 125, just to show that we need that bit to be present. 125 minus 64 gives us 61, right? So we have 61. So we need this bit to be present, right? And then 61 is still bigger than 32. So we need 32 to be present as well. So after we make it a 1, we can just subtract here 32. So we can say 61 minus 32 is 29. So we will have 29 now, right? 29. So we put a 1 for this 64, a 1 for this 32 because we need it, we need it, we need it. So we need the 16 as well. Need the 16. So that's why we have a 1 here. 21 minus 16. Now we have a 13. 13 is left, right? 13. With this 13, what happened here? Okay. With this 13, we definitely need this 8, right? Great stuff. So minus 8, we are going to have a 5, right? So this is very simple, guys. 64, 32, 62, 80. You just put 1, 1, 1, 1. Here it is. 1, 1, 1, 1, right? That's it. So for this 5, we definitely need this 4. So you're going to put a 1 so that we can use the 4. Here's the 4. Then we have a 1 that is left, right? 5 minus 4, it's 1, right? So now we have a 1 minus 2, which is impossible. Okay. A 1 minus 2, which is impossible. So we don't need this 2. We don't need this bit position, right? Then 1 minus 1, we need this one. So 1 minus 1, right? So we need this one. So this must be present. So if you look at this, right? What's present here? 64 is present? Yes. 32 is present? Yes. 16 is present? Yes. 8 is present? Yes. 4 is present? Yes. And 1 is present, right? So here is just a 0. So this is this decimal. Remember, this is to the base 10, right? In binary, this is base 2. But now we need to convert this to octal, right? So now what do we do with octal? What did I say? With octal, I said we're going to group in groups of 3, right? So let's leave it here so that this becomes your answer. Now let's go to octal. So here we have 1, 0, 1, right? We're going to group in groups of 3. 1, 1, 1. I can already tell this is 7, this is 5. So our answer was right. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, right? Then 1, 1, 1. So we left with only 1, right? 1, 2, 3 ones. Then we left with this one. And then I said you add, because we need to group in threes. For it to be simpler for you guys, you need to add zeros here, 2 zeros, right? Because you just want to make a group of 3. Remember, if it's hex, you're going to add this was going to be 4 zeros, so you're going to need 4 bits here, right? Okay, great stuff. So we start here. 101, we need to convert this to, we need to convert it to decimal now. Remember, this is 1, 2, 4, right? So this is 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. This bit is present, this is not present, this is present. So what's present? 1 is present, so we take the 1. 2 is not present, we don't take it. 4 is present, so we take the 4. 4 plus 1 is 5, right? Same here. 1, 1, 2, 4. This is present, which is 1, right? 2 is present, so we have a 3. 4 is present, so we have a 7. So the maximum will always be 7 in octal, right? Because it ranges from 0 to 7, 8 combinations, right? So here as well, 1, 2, 4, right? We just do it here and stop being lazy. 1, 2, 4. So here 1 is present, yes. 2 is not present, 4 is not present. So here it will be 1. But this will be in octal, right? So you need this. So your 2 marks is here, Johan. So your 2 marks is here. 1, 2, right? The answer and the base. Okay. Let me stop the recording, then I'll welcome questions. Any questions?